Why does your scanner show the P2107 engine code? What does it mean? P2107 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle actuator circuit control module processor. It indicates there is a malfunction within the throttle control module processor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty throttle position sensor. Defective throttle actuator control module. Dirty throttle plate. Faulty throttle body. Electrical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Lincoln, Nissan, Honda, Mazda, Chevrolet, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.